Hello students, let me continue our story, A Truly Beautiful Mind, about the life of Einstein, the synonym for genius. Now here, when at the age of 15 he left school forever. Now here Albert wanted to study at University in Zurich, where the people were more liberal than at Munich. Now his parents opposed his idea but finally agreed to send him there. Einstein was highly talented in physics and mathematics. There he met a fellow student, Mileva Maris. She was equally intelligent, but he fell in love with her because he found she had views similar to his. Now he hoped they together would stand against the uncultured and barbarous people. He hoped that they together would bring out work on relativity too. Now, but his marriage fails. Einstein wanted to marry her just after finishing her studies at the university, but her mother opposed their marriage. She thought Mileva would not prove a good wife because of her too much interest in science. She was older to Einstein too, but Einstein married her in 1903. They had two sons, but the marriage failed. Mileva was unhappy. At last they divorced in 1919. Albert married his cousin Elsa the same year. Now here, the Einstein contribution to science. Now Einstein was employed as a technical expert in a patent office. He jokingly called his writing desk as Bureau of Theoretical Physics. He called it so because he was secretly working on his ideas on relativity. In 1915, he published his paper on special theory of relativity. According to his theory, time and distance are not absolute. This surprised the world, thus followed his famous formula E equal to mc square. Here this formula is given to you like E is equal to mc square. In 1915, he published his general theory of relativity. His calculations were tested at the time of solar eclipse in 1919 and were found to be accurate. The world of science proclaimed his inventions revolutionary. Einstein became famous the world over. So here this is the story of Einstein. Now in 1933, Hitler came to prove in Germany. Einstein emigrated to the United States. 5 years later, German scientists in Berlin discovered nuclear fission. The scientists in America were greatly disturbed. It was feared that the Nazis would build the atom bomb. Now Einstein wrote a letter to President Roosevelt to apprise him of the extent of destruction the atom bomb could cause. President Roosevelt took his letter very seriously. Now the Americans built the atom bomb secretly. They dropped 2 atom bombs on 2 Japanese cities, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. In August 1945, Einstein was shocked by the destruction and mindless use of science. He wrote an open letter to the United Nations. He suggested the formation of a world government, but his letter had no effect. Now for the next 10 years, he campaigned for peace and democracy. He agitated against the build-up of arms. And at last, Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76. We remember him as a visionary and world citizen, as much as a scientist genius. So students, this is all about how the Einstein gave us the theory of relativity, science. So students, you have to read this lesson and try to understood it. Thank you.